How to check the performance of CPU and RAM.
Press the S3RL Chef ESC to open the Task Manager. Look at the Performance tab, check if your CPU or RAM using high percentage of resources. Go to this PC and check the available space on your hard drive. If it's almost full, try deleting our old files or uninstalling programs you are not used. Open the Windows Security by going to the Settings, Update, and Security in Windows Security. Click the Virus Threat Protection and select the Quick Scan.